Good afternoon, everyone. So I am about to pop my headphones in, pull up something on Disney Plus, and I am going to get cracking with packing because I go away in 2 days. So I go away on Tuesday, so I've got tonight, it's Sunday night, so I've got Sunday night and I've got Monday night after work to pack, and I have a bit to pack. So let's get on with this and I will show you everything that I'm packing. Also guys, I got my nails done by a mutual friend. She did them for me. Aren't they just the cutest nails in the world? I love them, they're so detailed. They're just perfect. Okay, so I'm gone for a very spring-esque wardrobe. I've got a bunch of maxi skirts and I've planned my outfits out by day because you can capture a wardrobe with this, but to be honest, I like the idea of wearing a different outfit every day as opposed to like mixing and matching pieces just because I have the room. So I thought, why not? So I've got my purple maxi skirt with my peasant blouse thingy. I've got another new blouse I want to do with my purple skirt. I've got a bunch of like little bits, so I've got a ready pinky skirt to go with that, which is one of my corset tops, and then I have another new corset top that is actually tied up in the front like an actual like functioning corset, which obviously isn't like a cinching corset, but it works. Like the style, the aesthetic of it is the same. I'm just going to refold that nose and make it a bit tighter. I've also got some jeans for the travel home, so it's a bit more comfortable. But yeah, that is the vibe so far. I'm now packing up my pyjamas and my extra bits and bobs like a swimming costume. And I'm now working out where am I going to put my jewellery because I don't have the space, because I'm packing a bunch of t-shirts for my friend group because I'm so excited to give that to them. Situation sorted. I've literally just decided that I'm going to use this for my crystals instead of my big plastic box, and this for my jewellery because it was already in there. And I'm going to pray to the highest of high that this closes. It's suitcase closing time. I don't think this is going to work. We made it work. One thing that I'm doing, which is something that I have always done, is because we're going on a plane, you have to separate liquids from everything else in your toiletries. And I'm sure a lot of people do this as well, but I used to separate them in a Ziploc bag and put that Ziploc bag at the top of my toiletries so that I could just take it out and then toss it in another Ziploc bag. But I'm actually taking something that is about the size of the Ziploc bag, just a tiny bit bigger, and then I'm putting all my liquids in this already so that it's a clear bag already and I can just toss them into the other clear bag. And it also means I'm kind of cautious of how many liquids I'm packing while I'm packing. And it's a really small like wallet size, so once it's full they'll all go in flat and it can slide into the side of my bag, so it's super easy to grab. So I highly recommend getting like a flat wallet size toiletry and makeup bag and only putting your liquids in it before you go and travel, because it's handier than having what I have, which is one of these, which is really great and all because it's got the little handle, but sorting through that and sifting through that is really, really annoying, and it will get like more annoying as it goes. So highly recommend getting 2 bags, one for liquids and one for the rest of your toiletries, and you can always put the liquid ones back into the toiletries as soon as you've flown. Another thing I highly recommend is to put all of your hair ties on a carabiner, because it is essentially going to keep them all in one place and then they get less tangled up and they get less hair in them. Another thing I'm doing, and this is exclusively because I'm sharing a house with 8 other people, is a mirror, as you can see, and I just thought it'd be handy because if I'm doing my makeup and I don't have access to a bathroom because it's super busy, I've got my own mirror to work with, so I can literally just like bring my makeup down to the kitchen table in this bag and do my makeup on the kitchen table, and that means like I'm not taking up another room. I don't know if it will come in handy, but it also means I can like do my makeup in the airport as well, and I don't have to wake up at stupid o'clock to actually do my makeup before I go to the airport, because I do like to do my makeup before I travel. Makes me feel nice. And another one of my pouches upon pouches, I got my wallet. I've emptied my card holders so I know they're all in one safe place in here, and then I can transfer them day by day for what cards I need. And I've got the house keys for where we're staying in a little silk pouch thingy that is actually zip up as well, so it's like double protected, but this can just be in my bag. So this is what I'm putting in my carry-on. I've got my makeup bag, I've got my bag full of liquids, I've got my toiletries, which is everything I need in there, and then this is a little bag I've put together of things that I want to keep close to me because I unless they were in a bag, they'll be loose in my carry-on, and I don't really want that in the airport. So I've got my passport, which it has the cutest passport case. I've got my travel eye mask, and I have my little card holder and my sunglasses, things I basically don't want running loose in my bag. Good morning. It is 4 in the morning and we are about to go to the airport, and then we're going to eat and get changed and do all those wonderful preparing things, and then we will go to the airport. It's alive. Look at him. Quinn is. Quinn has currently collected up a bunch of mollusks and he's returning them to their rightful home, which he took them from in the first place, just further up. And that is the first installment into the island vlog series done. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe and watch the other ones.